What if I told you the problems people complain about every day could become paid offers, side hustles, and real money opportunities? Fast Money Marion here, and today I'm showing you how to turn everyday problems into simple paid offers people actually understand and want. By the end of this video, you'll know how to spot problems, turn them into solutions, package those solutions, and create simple offers people may pay for. Every day, people deal with problems. They are stressed, busy, confused, tired, overwhelmed, or looking for an easier way to get something done. And when someone says, "I don't have time, I hate doing this, or I wish this was easier," they may be showing you a problem they would pay to solve. Money does not just come from having a random idea. Money usually comes from solving a real problem for a real person in a simple way. A paid offer is something you sell that helps a person get a result. It can be a service, template, guide, checklist, coaching session, class, or digital product. People do not just buy products. They buy help. They buy shortcuts. They buy relief. They buy confidence. They buy a better result than the one they have now. Here is the simple formula. Find a person with a problem, create a solution, explain the result, and make it easy for them to say yes. The easiest place to start is your own life. Ask yourself, what have I solved, learned, organized, fixed, improved, or figured out the hard way? Take a notebook and write down 20 problems people deal with. Do not judge the ideas yet. Just train your mind to notice opportunity. Listen to friends, family, coworkers, customers, and people online. Pay attention to what they repeat, complain about, or keep asking for help with. Online comments are full of offer ideas. When people ask the same question again and again, that question could become a guide, service, tutorial, checklist, or template. The pain point is the deeper reason the problem matters. A messy room may really mean stress. A bad resume may really mean feeling stuck. A confusing budget may really mean fear.
Once you see the problem, ask this: what result does this person want? Do they want to save time, make money, feel organized, look better, learn faster, or stop feeling overwhelmed?
Do not only sell the thing, sell the outcome. A budget template is not just a spreadsheet. It is a way to see where your money is going and feel more in control. A clear result makes your offer easier to understand. Instead of saying, "I help with content," say, "I create 30 post ideas so you know what to post for the next month." The fastest offer to start with is often a service. If you can write, clean, organize, design, edit, tutor, set up tech, or help someone save time, you can create a service. Templates are powerful because people want shortcuts. Resume templates, budget trackers, meal planners, business plans, content calendars, and checklists can all become paid offers. If people are confused, give them steps. A simple guide or checklist can help them go from stuck to started without feeling overwhelmed. If you know how to explain something clearly, you can create a mini class. Teach one problem, one process, or one result. Keep it simple and useful. Example 1, people need better jobs, but their resumes are weak. You could offer resume reviews, resume rewrites, cover letter templates, or job application checklists. Groceries are expensive. You could create a grocery savings plan with budget meals, shopping lists, simple recipes, and tips to avoid wasting food.
Example 3, small business owners do not know what to post. You could offer captions, content calendars, Canva templates, post ideas, or monthly content packages.
Example 4, many people struggle with technology. You could help with phone setup, email, passwords, video calls, apps, photos, or basic computer lessons. Before you spend weeks building something, test the idea. Ask people if they want it. Post the offer. Send a message. Watch if people respond, ask questions, or want the price. Your first offer post can be simple. Say who it is for, what problem it solves, what result they get, and what they should do next. Do not make people guess. Tell them exactly what to do next. Comment help, send a message, click the link, book a call, download the template, or place the order. So here is the simple formula. Notice the problem, understand the pain, choose the person, create the solution, sell the result, then put your offer where those people already are. You do not need a perfect business idea to start. You just need to pay attention to everyday problems and offer simple solutions. If this helped you, like the vid Fast Money Marion, and remember, simple problems can turn into paid offers when you learn how to package the solution.